If CapCut keeps crashing or freezing on your PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to editing smoothly. CapCut Desktop is an amazing tool, but sometimes performance issues, cache problems, or software conflicts can cause it to lag, stop responding, or crash right when you need it most. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check, what to change, and how to stabilize CapCut on your computer. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut and editing tutorials. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to close CapCut completely and reopen it fresh. If the app is stuck, use Task Manager on Windows to force it closed, then launch it again. Sometimes a single bad session can cause freezing, and a clean restart is all it takes. Next, check if your PC is running low on memory. CapCut can struggle if too many apps are open at the same time, especially browsers, game launchers, or other editing software. Close anything you're not using and give CapCut as much room as possible to run. Another very important step is to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons editing software crashes or freezes. Go to your graphics card software, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest driver update. After that, restart your computer and test CapCut again. Now, if CapCut is still freezing, the next thing to try is clearing the cache. Temporary files can build up over time and slow everything down. Open CapCut settings, look for the cache or storage section, and clear unused cache files. This often fixes random lag and helps the program run much more smoothly. If you recently installed a new version of CapCut and the problem started after the update, check whether another background process is interfering with it. Antivirus tools, overlays, screen recorders, and even some startup apps can cause CapCut to lock up. Try disabling non-essential background apps one by one and see if the issue improves. Also, make sure your Windows system is fully updated. Sometimes CapCut depends on system components like visual libraries and media services, and if Windows is outdated, the app can become unstable. Go into Windows Update, install any pending updates, and reboot your PC. If CapCut crashes when you open a specific project, that project may be corrupted or too heavy for your current system resources. In that case, try creating a new project and importing only 1 or 2 clips first. If the new project works fine, then the issue is likely tied to the original project file, not the entire app. You can also lower the preview quality inside CapCut. High-resolution previews can put a lot of strain on your computer. Reducing playback quality or using proxy media can make a huge difference, especially on mid-range PCs or laptops. If CapCut still keeps freezing, reinstalling the app may help. Uninstall CapCut completely, restart your computer, and then download the latest version again from the official source. A clean reinstall can remove damaged files that normal updates don't fix. And if you're still having trouble after all of that, check your system specs. CapCut works best when your PC has enough RAM, a supported graphics card, and enough free disk space. If your drive is nearly full, free up storage because low disk space can absolutely cause stuttering and crashes. So to recap, the best fixes are restarting CapCut, closing background apps, updating graphics drivers, clearing cache, updating Windows, lowering preview quality, and reinstalling if needed. One of these steps usually solves the problem, and in many cases, it's a combination of 2 or 3 fixes that gets CapCut running properly again. If this tutorial helped you fix CapCut on PC, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.